Welcome to the Emerging Lawyer series at the Coffee Conversation Show, powered by the Emerging India Forum TIF and a tech partner, Prime Infotech Solution. Theme is Protecting Innovation, Unveiling the World of Intellectual Property. We have with us Swati Varshney, founder, One Stop IP Solutions. Swati is a seasoned patent agent, trademark attorney, and intellectual property consultant. With over 13 years of experience in patent drafting, prosecution, and IP strategy across multiple countries, she has built a strong reputation in the legal and tech ecosystem. So, welcome, Swati, to today's coffee conversation.
Yeah. Thank you, Amir. Thanks for inviting me.
So, let me explain you the flow and the format. There are three rounds: professional, personal, and a rapid fire round for which you have to be witty, funny, and quick. And here's your motivation: AI, legal AI 101.
Okay.
As now AI is everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. Friends, I'm Lion Amir Virani, host at Coffee Conversation and legal tech evangelist at Prime Infotech Solution. We help law firms, corporate legal startups, SMEs with world-class technology, software licensing, and tech training solutions. So my first question, Swati, how did you transition from uh, MPhil in chemistry to a career in intellectual property law? What sparked your interest?
Yeah, always a new thing retained my attention. So, like when I was doing MPhil, I saw the advertisement of TEIF in Times of India. Then I was like, okay, this is something very different. I will be the woman scientist. So I appeared for the exam, like promoted others also. Like our whole MPhil batch went for the test for TIFAC, and then we four got selected, and in the interview we two got selected, and then I am the one who is continuing this journey.
Wow. So, what is the story behind the naming of your law firm, One Stop IP Solutions, and how has the journey been?
Yeah, so the name itself says one stop IP. So like we provide one stop solution for all kind of IP matters, be it patent, design, trademark, copyright, this or GI, like any kind of IP, we can handle it. So that's why we have thought of the name one stop IP
Wow.
solutions.
So, Swati, what are some common mistakes startups and business make when it comes to protecting the intellectual property?
Yeah, so the first mistake they do, they don't think about the IP. They just go with the flow of their business. And then at one point of time, they feel that we did a mistake. So, like always, before starting your venture or your business, always protect your IP by way of trademark, patent, copyright. The any way you want or any way it can be protected, you should protect it.
Wow. So, can you share an interesting or challenging patent case you have worked on, and what were the lessons learned?
Yeah, like every day we have a challenge in front of us. Like today only, I had a hearing for a matter which was already handled by the inventor himself.
Hmm.
Like he did the patent drafting, he did the prosecution part. Now, like he is helpless, and now he came to us. He just take care of this case. I cannot go further. So like now this case is with us, and we are taking care of it, and we will be getting the grant of it. So like every day we are facing us different kind of challenge. So it's been a very challenging and very eventful journey.
Wow. So, Swati, having worked with patents across multiple countries, how do IP laws in India compare to those in the US, Europe, and China?
Yeah, so like I had worked with different countries like US, Europe, China, Japan, Australia. So it varies from country to country. Like we in India we have restrictions for many inventions, like a method of treatment is not patentable, computer program per se is not patentable, which is patentable in some of the countries. So that ways we are different, and process is like term is universal. Like patent is for 20 years across the world. But yeah, that cycle or the flow of the prosecution varies from country to country.
Wow. So, how is the rise of AI, blockchain, and other emerging technologies impacting patent law and intellectual property rights?
Yeah, like we cannot say it is impacting a lot, but yeah, it is impacting and it is going to be impacting more in further timings. So, like when you type, you can type anything with AI and get anything. So, that is a point of concern. But yeah, you cannot rely on a AI because, like, I can tell you one of my experience that recently patent amendments had come in 2024, and I was going to write an article on it.
Hmm.
So I was just taking my time to write the article, and my husband was like, are you investing your time in writing it on your own? AI is there, just go type some keywords on AI, and you will ChatGPT, and you will get the whole article in front of you. I did that, and it was so like worst kind of writing that I cannot rely even on a single line of it. So how can I publish it on my name? So you cannot rely on AI right now, I can say. Yeah, but yeah, in near future or like in future, we can say that it will be developing.
Wow. So, the female entrepreneur in the legal space, what challenges have you faced, and how do you see the role of women evolving in this field?
And like in this field, like I think in the especially in the IP field, you can see a lot of women. Maybe it is an intellectual kind of thing. Like on a BT side, I can say that on an intellectual kind of women have more intellect, or I don't know, but yeah, in our field, women are more. And as a woman, I can say yeah, there are few challenges, but your family plays a very important role there. If family is supportive, then you will not be feeling any challenges. Like my family is very much supportive. If I am having any case, so everything is taken care of. Like if I am having a hearing for 3 hours or 4 hours, then if I am at home also, I will not be disturbed at all. Be it any kind of thing that will be taken care of, but I will not be disturbed. So yeah, family plays a very important role. Being a woman, that yeah, you if you are taking a step out of your home, then things are taken care of at your back.
Wow. So, Swati, who has influenced you or mentored you from the IP legal world?
Like it went with the flow. Like that TIFAC advertisement took my attention. I filled the form. Then like I found that yeah, this field is very interesting because like every day you are having a different invention in front of you. You don't have to cram anything, or you don't have to be mechanical for any specific kind of thing every day and day. Like I am B.Ed also, and I have done MPhil, so I can teach, like I can be a teacher. And I got selected for one of the government job in UP, but I left that job because like I was selected, but I did not join because this field was more attractive for me because I cannot teach a single lesson to the class day and day.
Wow. Swati, according to you, what skills or qualities do you think are essential for those looking to build a career in patent law?
Like good observation, good like cramming power, or you can say like good power to learn the patent act. Like patent act is not just a book, it's like every word, every line, or every comma matters to you, matters to the subject matter which you are handling. So yeah, good observation and good handling power makes you
Wow.
different.
So let's go to next round and understand Swati as a person. Tell us about your family and your formative years.
Yeah, so I have my husband, my kid who is 9 year old, and my mother-in-law is my family. So we are a very small world.
Wow. So let's go to your days at Dr. Ambedkar University, Agra. What were the actions, memories, and how did it impact?
Yeah, look, I did MPhil from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Agra, and that has also been a very eventful journey. So, like in MPhil, you have to do the thesis work also and the research work. So we spend days and nights to write the thesis and complete the research work. And I did just thesis work of the MPhil, and then I got selected for TIFAC. So I did we MPhil on weekdays and TIFAC on weekdays and MPhil on weekends. So like on every weekend, the whole TIFAC which was planning to do something in Delhi, like visit some monument or something like that, and we used to catch the train from Delhi and reach Agra to uh, see our guide who can help us in completing the dissertation work. So yeah, that was a very important, eventful journey.
Wow. So, Swati, what's your go-to way to relax and switch gears?
Yeah, I have a very creative mind, so I create different things. I do mirror work, I do stitching, I do mandala art, I do calligraphy. So that ways I spend my free time. Like whenever I feel that I need to gather more focus, then I just take a page and do mandala or take some MDF board and do some mirror work or
Wow.
gardening. Like now, my new passion is gardening. So nowadays, I am more into plantation, looking for
Wow.
plants and all.
That's interesting. So, Swati, who has been your biggest cheerleader from your family, friends?
Like my husband, like he has supported me a lot.
Wow. So, how does your ideal weekend look like?
Sorry,
Ideal weekend, Sunday.
ideal weekend spending time with family, going out on in the evening, and doing my any of my hobby like cooking, gardening, or creative work.
So, what are your memories of your apna ye childhood or any hobby which has carried on in your later years also?
Like my stitching, like I used to do stitching since childhood. Like when I was maybe in sixth or seventh class, my mama used to stitch my frock, and I used to make the rubber band out of that waste cloth part of cloth. That okay, I am making my frock, and I will do the matching. And then eventually, I started learning stitching, and similarly, learned cooking also at a very early age. Like I am cooking since class sixth.
Wow.
My papa was like, uh, I can't, you should not be in the kitchen. When I come home, you should not be in the kitchen. And I was like, I just came and you also came in. And he was
Wow.
like, why you come into the kitchen? What is the requirement? Then I was like, I used to make the things. I asked my mother or my grandmother to taste it. If it is good, then I used to serve it to the whole family. Otherwise, I used to dump it and give it to the cows in my family.
That's interesting. So, Swati, what are your plans for 2025 personally and professionally?
Yeah, like personally, the things are going great, so not too much. But yeah, professionally, I will be expanding my venture and like expanding the team as well.
Wow. So, my last one, which will be a googly one, describe Swati in one line.
Uh, it's yeah, I can say like I am very like Swati cannot sit idle. She always has to do something.
Wow. So let's go to the next round and have some fun, the rapid fire round. You're an early bird or a night owl?
Early bird.
Wow. Go to comfort food.
Sorry?
Go to comfort food.
Uh, stuffed paratha or samosa.
Wow. Your dream travel place.
Leh Ladakh.
Wow. Your favorite color.
Black, blue.
Wow. Your a quote you get inspired by.
Uh, can be like your path can never be narrow.
Wow. That's beautiful. Tea or coffee to help you recharge.
Always tea.
But let's roast.
Yeah.
So you did well, Swati, and here's your book, Legal AI 101. So I hope
Thank
this
you.
will help you to take more confident steps in the world of AI, wherever, because AI is
Yeah.
impacting in all walks of life. So, friends, it
Yeah.
was a lovely conversation having with Swati on a journey of IP, patents, and how as a woman, she has plans to expand a team. So, all those women out there, with the support of your family, you can go and venture and start your own career, own profession, things which you would like to do. And she's doing wonderfully. So all those young legal professionals, not only male and a women, who want to venture into the field of IP, patent. So this is episode. She has from doing MPhil and now protecting this, what do you say, trademark, patents, and copyrights, and many more things. So, like that, there are 400 plus coffee speakers who have shared their journey, professionally, personal, and subject expertise. Subscribe, get inspired, and if you want to be featured like Swati, fill in the form at the Emerging India Forum or our LinkedIn company page. Our team will invite you to have coffee conversations. So take care. Thank you.
Thank you.